We'll guide you through how to create reports in Asana. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Asana dashboard on your desktop and look for the Reporting tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to open the Reporting section. Here, you'll see an option to Create Report. Click on that and a new window will pop up, allowing you to customize your report. You'll need to choose the type of data you want to include. You can select from tasks, projects, or team performance metrics. Once you've selected the data type, you can apply filters to narrow down the information. For example, if you're focusing on task completion, you can filter by due dates, project names, or specific team members. After setting the filters, choose the visualization type. Asana offers options like bar charts, line graphs, or pie charts depending on what best represents your data. You can then name your report and give it a description to make it easier to identify later. After finalizing the details, click on Save to generate your report. It's now listed under your saved reports, and you can access it anytime by returning to the Reporting tab. For added convenience, Asana allows you to share reports with your teammates by clicking the Share icon next to your report. This way, everyone stays on the same page with real-time data insights. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.